Airbnb properties can deliver 15 to 25% cash-on-cash returns, while traditional rentals barely hit 8 to 12%. But here's what nobody tells you about the hidden costs. Short-term rentals look incredible on paper. You're getting premium nightly rates, especially in tourist areas. A property that rents for $1,500 monthly might pull in $4,000 from Airbnb guests. The math seems obvious, but let's talk reality. With short-term rentals, you're running a hospitality business, not just collecting rent. You need professional cleaning between every guest, fresh linens, restocking supplies, and constant communication with travelers. One bad review tanks your bookings for weeks. Then there's the occupancy gamble. Long-term tenants pay whether they're home or not. Airbnb only pays when booked. Tourist seasons end, events get canceled, economic downturns hit, and suddenly your cash cow becomes a money pit. Management costs eat profits fast. Property management companies charge 20 to 30% for short-term rentals versus 8 to 12% for long-term. Add furnishing costs, higher insurance, and increased wear from constant turnover. Long-term rentals offer predictable monthly income with minimal hands-on management. Tenant stays 2 years, you collect 24 months of steady cash flow. Less exciting, but more sustainable. The sweet spot? Start with long-term rentals to build steady cash flow and experience. Once you understand real estate investing fundamentals and have multiple income streams, then consider adding short-term rentals to your portfolio. Don't chase the highest returns without understanding the real work involved. Consistent 10% beats volatile 20% that disappears during slow seasons. Build your foundation first, then experiment with higher maintenance strategies.